I want to quickly talk to you about the best business bank account for LLC. So here's a review I want you to pay attention to. Number 10, you have Novo Business Checking. Our score, 8 over 10. So we love Novo because of the free ATM access. Okay, the cool thing is Novo offers a free online business checking account for LLCs with unlimited transactions and refunds on all ATM fees, which is really ideal for LLC owners on the go, right? Novo's business bank account also includes unlimited integrated invoicing, making it a great option in our view for freelancers, contractors, or other self-employed business owners who have formed single-member LLCs. One important thing to note though, Novo only offers customer support via email. So there's no phone to call, there's no sort of, so it's only email. What are the pros and cons here? Pros, no monthly fees or minimum opening deposits. You have unlimited fee-free transactions, refunds on all ATM fees worldwide, and you have a tool that integrates with top business tools including Xero, Stripe, and Shopify. Fantastic. What about the cons here? Well, you can't deposit cash. You can't send domestic or international wires. There's no recurring payments available with bill pay. You have $27 fee for insufficient funds, uncollected funds return, and no customer support by phone. So this is really important. By the way, boss, welcome back to the show. It's really a pleasure to have you here. We're having a quick convo about the best business bank account for LLC. Number 9, you have here, US Bank Silver Business Checking. Our score, 8.2 over 10. So this is our pick for welcome bonus, free business checking, and for brick and mortar bank. So it's unusual to find a free business checking account from a big brick and mortar bank, but that's exactly what US Bank offers with its silver business checking accounts, which includes 125 free transactions and up to $2,500 in free cash deposits per statement cycle. Really cool. You can open an account online, by phone, or in person. US Bank has more than 2,000 branches across 26 states. There's also a substantial welcome bonus for new customers. That terms do apply though. What are the pros and cons here? Pros, no monthly service fee for silver business checking accounts. Business accounts can be opened entirely online. You have an optional payment processing services that range from mobile apps to in-store payment terminals. And you also have a welcome bonus for new customers. What about the cons here? You have low cash deposit limits, and terms and fees are not easily accessible via the bank's website. But again, this is a good account for LLCs anyway. Number 8, you have Bank of America Business Advantage Fundamentals Banking. And so this is our pick for cash deposits, brick and mortar. And the cool thing here is that actually there is a $16 fee, but that's waived with a $5,000 minimum balance. So this account has a high cash deposit allowance for a brick and mortar bank and offers unlimited fee-free electronic transactions. Plus, you can open an account entirely online. You can open an account for your LLC, not a problem. So what are the pros and cons of this Bank of America Business Advantage Fundamentals? The pros first. You have fee-free electronic transactions. You have high cash deposit limits, and business accounts can be opened entirely online. What are the cons here? Well, no free business checking account option. You have $100 minimum opening deposits, and you have a fee for using out-of-network ATMs. Boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about our top 10 best business bank accounts for LLC. Number 7, you have Lending Club Tailored Checking. Our score, 8.7 over 10. So when you think about Tailor Checking, I want you to think about an LLC business checking accounts that is great for ATM fee refunds. So basically there's a monthly fee of $10, which is waived with a $500 minimum balance. Minimum deposit, $100, and you have free cash deposits unlimited. So Lending Club is a great option for LLC business owners prioritizing ATM accessibility and digital tools. The Lending Club Tailored Checking Accounts offers unlimited ATM fee reimbursements. So you have also 1% cashback on debit card purchases, and also in other transactions. You also have a great APR offers. And so this business accounts includes auto books, and invoicing and online payment software, and offers QuickBooks and quick integration. So what are the pros and cons here? Let's first start with the pro. So you have the pros rather. You have unlimited fee-free transactions, no overdraft fees. You are able to earn 1.5% API on balances of $100,000 and more. Fee-free ATM access. You have cash deposits, and you also have you can earn 1% cashback on debit card purchases. So this is really fantastic. The cons, well, $10 monthly fee, and you have $100 minimum opening deposit requirements, and there is a minimum $500 balance required to earn cashback rewards and with a monthly fee. Number 6, you have Lily Basic Business Check-in. Our score, 8.8 over 10. So when you think about Lily, I want you to think about a tool that's great for early access to payments. And the cool thing about the LLC is that you are able to actually benefit from this account very, very fast. Lily's entry-level account has no monthly fees, no minimum opening deposit, and no transaction fees. And if you get paid via ACH transfers, you can get your money up to 2 days faster. This account also includes fee-free ATM access through the MoneyPass network and allows you to actually deposit cash through green dot locations. And tax planning tools and income and expense reporting are no longer included in the free Lily Basic accounts. You will need to upgrade to Lily Pro or higher for those features. So what are the pros and cons here? So pros, you have no monthly fees or transaction fees, no fees at MoneyPass ATMs. You have cash deposits via Green Dot Network. Fees and limits apply. And you have early payment feature that allows you to receive funds up to 2 days sooner than with a traditional bank account. What about the cons here? Well, you have fee for using out-of-network ATMs. Cash deposits are limited to $1,000 per day, $9,000 per month. You have a service fee of up to $495 per deposit, and no checkbooks. You cannot send wire transfers. Number 5, you have Relay Business Check-in. Our score, 9 over 10. So when you think about Relay, I want you to think about our pick for LLC bank account with no fees. And this free online banking platform offers unlimited fee-free transactions, has no overdraft fees, and includes free incoming wires. You can have up to 20 business checking accounts and up to 50 business debit cards, physical or virtual. And with the Relay platform, making this a great option for mid-sized LLCs or entrepreneurs with multiple LLCs. Account holders can assign user permissions to other team members and automate their spending limits. And so Relay also offers direct integrations with QuickBooks Online and Business, and Xero, plus the ability to connect your accounts with other popular business tools, including Expensify, Gusto, Plaid, and Wise. Really, really cool. And let's talk about the pros and cons here. Pros: no monthly fees or minimum opening deposits, unlimited fee-free transactions, no overdraft fees, cash deposits via compatible all-point ATMs. You have automatic transfers to high-yield business savings, earning up to 3% APY, and there are no foreign transaction fees when you use your Relay MasterCard abroad. Fantastic. The only cons that we don't like here is that you have limited phone support. Email support is available 7 days a week, and deposited checks are held up to 6 or 7 days. Number 4, you have Grasshopper Business Checking Account. Our score, 9.3 over 10. So when you think about Grasshopper Business Checking Accounts, I want you to think about a tool that's great, like a checking account that's great for a 1% cashback on debit card purchases. And so Grasshopper Bank's free business checking accounts offers up to 2.25% APY and unlimited 1.5% cashback on debit card purchases, a rare feature in our view among checking accounts. There are no overdraft charges, and the account includes unlimited transactions and free incoming wires. Customers are also free to get free built-in access to Autobooks, as well as business tools like invoicing and cash management. Just fantastic. What are the pros and cons here? Pros: you have unlimited 1% cashback on qualified debit card purchases. You can earn up to 2.25% APY. No monthly fees or overdraft charges, and you have a free built-in bookkeeping software tool. What about the cons here? Well, you can't deposit cash. You have $100 minimum opening deposit and no weekend support. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about the best business bank accounts for LLCs. Number 3, you have here Chase Business Complete Banking. And so this is our pick for branch access payment processing. So the Chase Business Complete Checking Account includes unlimited electronic deposits, offers the opportunity to earn a $300 sign-up bonus, and has a low $15 monthly fee. It also gives you the ability to actually use Chase Quick Accept to accept credit card payments with the Chase mobile app. Plus, if your LLC outgrows the Chase Business Complete Checking solution, you have the option to upgrade to the Performance or Platinum checking account. So this is really cool. So what are the pros and cons here? Well, the pros: no minimum opening deposits, unlimited fee-free electronic transactions, integrated credit card processing, welcome bonus for new customers, and you have no overdraft fee unless account is overdrawn by more than $50. 24-hour grace period applies to overdrafts beyond that amount. What about the cons here? Well, you have a $15 monthly fee. There's a monthly fee on fee-free cash deposits and physical transactions, and you have a fee for using out-of-network ATMs. Number 2, you have Axos Bank Basic Business Checking. Our score, 9.7 over 10. So when you think about Axos, I want you to think about a great pick for 24/7 customer support. This is really fantastic. You have free cash deposits. And the cool thing is that you have basically a $200 potential bonus. So Axos Bank Basic Business Checking has no monthly fee or minimum opening deposit requirements and offers unlimited transactions plus cash deposits via Allpoint and MoneyPass ATMs. The bank also offers 24/7 customer support and free nationwide ATM access with unlimited refunds for fees charged by other banks and ATM operators in the United States. It's really cool. Let's talk about the pros and cons of this player here. No monthly fee. So first of all, the pros: no monthly fees or minimum opening deposits, unlimited fee-free transactions, automatic refunds of all ATM fees, domestic, and you have cash deposits via MoneyPass and Allpoint ATMs, and you have 24/7 customer support, and you have a welcome bonus for new customers, and terms that do apply though. What about the cons here? Well, you have $25 fee for insufficient funds, uncollected funds return, no third-party app integrations. Number 1, the best of the best in our view when it comes to the best business bank account for LLC. You have here BlueVine Business Checking. Our score, 9.8 over 10. So when you think about BlueVine, I want you to think about an APR of 2% potentially. And so with no monthly fees and unlimited transactions, BlueVine's online business checking account is a great option for LLCs that want to manage their finances digitally. And this high yield account also boasts a great APY. Keep in mind though, cash deposits are limited to up to $500 per deposit and $2,000 per day. And there is a fee of $4.95 per deposit from the Green Dot retailer. So those are things you need to care about. And so overall, in terms of pros, no monthly fees or minimum opening deposits, unlimited fee-free transactions, no overdraft fees. You can earn up to 2% interest on account balances up to and including $250,000. And you have access to $3 million in FDIC insurance with insured cash sweep. Let me give you a bonus if you're still here. And the thing is that I want to share with you Mercury Business Bank Accounts. And so our score here is 7.8 over 10. So this is our pick for a business cash management account. Mercury's business bank account is a great option for LLCs. They have a large operating budget and a lot of cash to manage. This neobank's business checking accounts offers up to $5 million in FDIC insurance coverage through its partner banks, which participate in a sweep network, and companies with at least $500,000 in their Mercury checking accounts can also apply for and open a Mercury treasury account to earn up to 5.43% APY on idle funds. So what are the pros and cons here? Well, the pros: no monthly fees or minimum opening deposits, unlimited fee-free transactions, no overdraft fees, no fees at all points ATMs, free domestic and international wire transfers, and advanced digital tools including API access to automate and customize your banking. You have another player here. You have Live Oak Bank Business Savings. This is also another great bank account for LLC. So our score here, 7.5 over 10. And so this is our pick for a dedicated business savings account. So business savings account, okay? And so the thing is that when you think about this Live Oak, I want you to think about a bank that offers up to $10 million in FDIC insurance through its insured cash sweep service, and you earn interest on all of it, making the bank's free business savings account an ideal place to park your LLC's emergency fund or other idle cash. What are the pros and cons here? Well, there is no minimum balance to earn interest, no monthly fee or minimum deposits, access to up to $10 million in FDIC insurance with insured cash sweep. Let me give you an overview so we're close to this conversation. It's important to understand that if you're going to open an account for your LLC, let's go back to the definition. What is an LLC bank account? So an LLC bank account is simply a dedicated business checking account for your limited liability company. That's it. So having a separate business bank account for your LLC helps divide business and personal finances, a necessity to maintain the legal distinction between the business and its owners and retain limited liability protection. So they actually call it the corporate veil. Okay. So other benefits of an LLC bank account include a tool that makes it clear to maintain your LLC's finances, makes it really easier also. It helps facilitate securing business financing when needed. And can you use your personal bank account for your LLC? Yes, but we strongly recommend that you open a distinct business bank account for your LLC to separate your personal and business finances and maintain your liability protections, even if you are a single member LLC. So your LLC also may need a dedicated bank account before you can apply for an LLC business credit card or LLC business loan. So what do you really need to open a bank account for your LLC? Well, it really depends on the bank, but you do need to have a mix of personal and business information along with formal business documentation to actually open an LLC bank account. So the exact requirements to open a business account all vary from one bank to another, but you want to expect to provide much of the following. So personal information, business documents. So personal information, your name, first name, last name, date of birth, okay, your address. Business information, business name, address, websites, annual revenue, industry and business type, and date the company was established. And for business documents, you will need to provide things like articles of organization or certificate of formation, LLC, operating agreements, DBA or fictitious name certificates if applicable, and business license. So this is kind of important. And also you need to provide business tax ID number or employer identification number. So BTIN or EIN. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. Let's do a quick recap here. So our top 10 best business bank account for LLCs. You have a BlueVine Business Checking, 9.8 over 10. Axos Bank Business Checking, 9.7 over 10. Chase Business Complete Banking, we have 9.5 over 10. Grasshopper Business Checking Accounts, 9.3 over 10. Relay Business Checking, 9 over 10. Lily Basic Business Checking, 8.8 over 10. Lending Club Tailored Checking, 8.7 over 10. Bank of America Business Advantage Fundamentals, 8.5 over 10. US Bank Silver Business Checking, 8.2 over 10. And Novo Business Checking, 8 over 10. And in the bonus category, we have a Mercury Business Bank Account, 7.8 over 10. And Live Oak Bank Business Savings, you have a 7.5 over 10. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.